Here we're given f of x and asked to find f prime of x, or the derivative function. Notice how our function f of x is a quotient of two functions, so we need to apply the quotient rule of differentiation given here below, where the derivative of function f divided by function g with respect to x is equal to g times f prime minus f times g prime divided by g squared. Or we can say the denominator times the derivative of the numerator minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator divided by the denominator squared. So notice in our case, function f would be negative 3 cosine x plus 5, and function g would be 5x to the 6th minus 2. So for the first step, we'll go ahead and set up this derivative formula, and then we'll find f prime and g prime in the second step. So f prime of x will be equal to the denominator, which is 5x to the 6th minus 2, times the derivative of the numerator, or the derivative of negative 3 cosine x plus 5, minus the numerator, negative 3 cosine x plus 5, times the derivative of the denominator, or the derivative of 5x to the 6th minus 2. And this is all divided by the denominator squared, or 5x to the 6th minus 2 squared. Now we'll find the derivative here, then the derivative here, and then simplify. So we still have 5x to the 6th minus 2. Now we'll find the derivative of negative 3 cosine x plus 5. Well, the derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. So this would be negative 3 times negative sine x, or positive 3 sine x. And the derivative of a constant is 0, so that'd be 0. And then minus negative 3 cosine x plus 5 times the derivative of 5x to the 6th minus 2. The derivative of 5x to the 6th would be 30x to the 5th. And again, the derivative of a constant would be 0. Denominator stays the same. If we're not required to simplify further, we could go ahead and stop here. But I'm going to go ahead and continue. I'm going to go ahead and distribute the 3 sine x here, and distribute the 30x to the 5th here. So we'll have f prime of x equals, again, our denominator is going to stay the same. And here, if we distribute 3 sine x, we would have 15x to the 6th sine x minus 6 sine x. Here we need to be careful about the signs because we're subtracting this product. Notice negative 3 cosine x times 30x to the 5th would be negative 90x to the 5th cosine x. But if we subtract a negative, that would become plus a positive, so plus 90x to the 5th cosine x. And then 30x to the 5th times 5, that'd be 150x to the 5th, but we're subtracting that, so minus 150x to the 5th. We have no like terms in the numerator, so we'll go ahead and stop here and leave our derivative in this form. I hope you found this helpful.